Birds represent freedom and beauty and imagination and movement, and they link continents and people. It's very important to be able to do something for these birds, which is to do with art and with putting people together.
Bringing people together to get inspiration from nature and use their art, their dancing, their music as a very immediate and powerful way of communicating. I think that cultural events are a great platform from which to send out messages to people all over the world who wouldn't necessarily look at environmental issues per se. They're a very good communicator. They're a very beautiful way of communicating environmental issues, which isn't sort of this sometimes quite staid and technical information that people receive every day.
Extinction is forever, and we have lost bird species already. And what we all have to do is to work together to preserve the common heritage of migratory species, and that's even more urgent at the moment.
Given all the negative press migratory birds have had in the recent past with avian flu, misunderstandings about their role, about the threats to people, it's been a really good corrective. I hope it will redress the balance a bit, show people really how wonderful these animals are and how they need our help. Now in the case of bird flu, they're victims as much as we in our economies are victims.
I think it's very important because birds are often used to write poems or songs or make films. So it's a very good combination. Culture and nature together is a very good combination.